Hello everyone, this is Lucy. Here in this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in your Microsoft Excel or just change your theme settings in your Excel. So in order to do this, you will need to go to File and click on the options at the bottom left of your screen. So here it will open a dialog box called Excel Options. So you will need to go click on this general option from the left menu and scroll down until you find Office Theme. Here, click on this drop down arrow and you will see multiple options here. If you click on dark gray and click on OK, you will see that the theme has changed into something like this. Now if you need to change it again, go to options, scroll in the general option here, go to Office Themes and click on black. Click on OK and you will see that you have turned on the dark mode in your Excel. If you don't like this preface, then you can always go back to options and change it in however you want. And just like that, you can change the theme settings for your Microsoft Excel. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.